We're up in the tree. This is the tree I've been setting up in pretty much every hunt here. It seems to be a pretty good spot, like because this field is so big, it's kind of hard to be at the right spot every time. I just shot the 6-point. Looked like a decent hit. There's another buck. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get down just because I want to have a little bit of light to just find some blood at first, and then we'll get back out, call it a night, come back tonight and then try to find them. We'll see the footage. It looks like a little bit forward. I can't tell on the camera if it went in and then kicked out or if it just hit like shoulder or what. Alright y'all, we got the crew out here. We got Andrew behind the camera, then we got Isaiah, his brother. It's been probably 2 hours, I think, since we shot.
With just finding little specks of blood here and there, we were able to track it for a couple 100 yards. With it drying up on us though, we decided to grid search the area. With no luck finding the arrow or the buck, and looking back at the footage, we were guessing it was a non-lethal hit. I do want to say that I've seen this buck on trail camera and while hunting since, so to my knowledge he's still alive. After tracking that deer that night, I decided to go back in the same tree the next morning to try my luck again.
got on film or not, he was so close. He's bedded down at like 150 yards right now. He was like 5 yards. I think he was a little too quartering, and I shot right behind the shoulder. Next to the exit is like mid-body back or mid-body low. Definitely a kill shot, but I'm just kind of waiting for him to fall over. He's dead. He should be dead. Oh my gosh, that happened so fast. I've been in the tree for like 30 minutes.
Alright, y'all, here's the deal. We backed out. Pretty sure I seen him fall and die, but we just played it safe. It's been a little over 4 hours now. My buddy just got off work. He's on his way here, and he's gonna help film and recover the deer with me. Alright, y'all, we drove back here to the corner. We actually see him dead, so I really don't think he took long to expire, maybe an hour, but he's where I seen him last bed, so we're gonna walk up to him.
Think so? Oh, it's not bad deer.